Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eka Suci Puspitaningrum. Framework. Framework is a platform that can be foundation for building a programs for particular platform for its developers. For example, the framework includes classes and functions so that hardware can interact with software on the system. Framework can be used to develop a company's information system architecture. The architectural framework is the basic structure or a set of structures that can be used to develop a variety of different architectures. Types of framework. The framework also has two types. First, software framework, and second, web applications framework. Software framework is a platform geared towards developing software applications and includes components such as code libraries, support programs, compilers, toolsets, and certain APIs that facilitate data flow. Software frameworks aim to simplify development and enable development. And the last is web application framework or web framework is a software framework designed to support the development of web applications including websites and services, web resources, and web IPs. A popular type of web application framework is the MVC or Model View Controller Architecture. TOGAF Framework. TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, is a framework that supports designing, building, and building flexible architectures. TOGAF enables IT users to build open system-based solutions for their business needs. TOGAF application is for developing company IT architecture. Type of architecture address TOGAF. There are 4 architectural domains that are generally accepted a part of a whole get into the price architecture, all of which are designed to support TOGAF. First, business architecture defines the strategy of business, government, organization, and main business processes. Second, data architecture describe the logical and physical structure of an organization data assets and data management resources. Third, the application architectures provides of in blueprint for each application system will be used, their interactions, and their relationship to core business process organization. And the last is technology architecture. Describe the logical capabilities of software and hardware necessary to support development of business, data, and application services. TOGAF ADM cycle. ADM is a set of stages or activities that are carried out repeatedly and their activities are used in architectural development. The ADM is divided into 8 phases, consisting of a main phase and requiring phases. First, preliminary phase. This is the initial phase for identifying basic principles, assessing architectural capabilities, and making the necessary change. The end, integrating TOGAF with other management frameworks, but this phase doesn't include the architectural development phase. Next is phase A, architecture vision. This phase is foundation of an architectural that provides support and obstacles to getting approval to continue to the next phase. Next is phase B, business architecture. This stage allows developing the business architecture and analyzing it for approval, and how the company can achieve its vision and meet the demands of architectural work. PACE Information System Architectures. This space involves a combination of data and application architecture. The steps for developing data and applications are very similar, namely in the form of models, references, viewpoints, and tools, developing baselines and conduction analysis. However, this has differences in the use of references, models, and techniques. And then phase D, technology architecture. This phase allows the development of infrastructure technology as a basis for identifying components that will support architectural development. Then, phase E, opportunities and solutions. This phase allows identifications of opportunities and solutions and implementation constraints to provide more consistent architectural implementations. It is in this phase that an architecture will be refined and its requirements will be updated. Next, phase F, migration planning. This phase is to determine the priority of work package projects and to create, develop, and monitor in detail and provide the necessary resources. Next, phase G, implementation governance. This phase ensures that the implementation project, as well as other sustainable projects, conform to the specified architecture. So, in this phase provides oversight of the implementation architecture. Phase H, architecture change management. This page allows the creation of procedures to manage change to the new architecture. How the enterprise architecture is used is the most important part of the architectural development cycle. The last is space requirement management. It's central to ADM. That's why it is centered on the ADM pie chart. This pie is simple to process of managing requirements throughout ADM as a whole.
Okay, now description about the information system architecture framework. The architecture itself is include important information about the capabilities of current hardware and networking software, as well as description of the future plans and long-term priorities that will explore in the future, such as replacing repair and purchase software. Okay, and a system information itself is how a system converts to information it has to display to user or client. Like as if defined information system is information system architecture is a system provide the information to the user regarding of capabilities, the hardware software, as well all the best planning to manage, as well research that existing technology can be used for a long period. Division of ISA. ISA has two division. First is the information architecture and two is a system architecture. Information architecture will help the user can get the information easily and quickly, and for the system architecture is a design of software that defines structure, component, and how it works, which include business architecture, technology architecture, security architecture, and data architecture. For architecture in ISA have three architectural. First, data architecture. The data architecture consists of exciting and applied data architecture. Data architecture refers to identification of data supporting an organization which requires a centralized and integrated data source to improve coordinating and synchronizing of data. Two is application architecture. Application architecture is a process to define the structure of an application that can meet all the criteria from a technical and operational side, with quality consideration such as performance, safety, and management. And three, technology architecture. A technology architecture that identification technology platform, analyze current technology platform for application, and platform technology development relate the needs by consider hardware, software, network, database, security, and social networks. And ISA has a three key concept. First is business process. Based on definition, business process is a collection of activities that produce value to a customer. Business process is not a part of ISA scope. ISA, however, it's a key concept for the characteristic of the relationship between ISA and the business model. So, from the ISA perspective, the business process attributes are not important, but the awareness of its existence and its relationship with its architectural component is fundamental. Two is information system. Information entity. Information entity stand for any person, physical things, or concept that is relevant in the business context and one which is possible and relevant to keep information. Information entities are the concept commonly accepted throughout the organization. Information entity data exists in different formats in different system. Okay, and three is block. This block is application architecture main aim in the architecture functional component. The major application need for a data management and business support are defined in the application architecture. Also notice the technological independence that architecture should present at application level. The is block or application block concept is founding concept. This block is defined as the collection of mechanism and operation organization in order to manipulate organization data.